In this video, I will introduce two community contributed commands and some tricks that I've learned along the way for the past 4 years. The first Stata shipped command is clear results window. When you load Stata, you will have multiple windows open. I've clicked off history and variables. If you want them, you can turn them on. Otherwise, I close them. I only have command and results on, and arranged my desktop such that my Stata results and command window are on the left and my do file is on the right. To open the do file for this video, please go to the link down below and find video 4. The first Stata shipped command is clear results window. This is very useful when you're running a long do file and you don't like to see results window being crowded or crammed up, or in my case, I don't want to show certain information, for example, my Stata licenses and serial number, then I clear my results window by running CLS. And that's the result. The results window is cleared. The next command, which is useful, is called clear all. Clear all deletes all dataset, macros, and any other data stored data type. So clear all deletes everything. So for demonstration purposes, I'm going to load a Stata ship dataset called life expectancy. And the dataset is loaded. I have a note here on GMP if you're not familiar with. Describe and summarize are Stata shipped commands. I'm not going to go through today, but you can run on your own to get familiar with this dataset. If you do not have FRE and bigtab, try to run line 19 and 20 to install those two packages. And the SSC is short for Statistical Software Components. This is a repository maintained by Boston College for sharing, updating, and distributing Stata community contributed packages. The first user contributed command is written by Professor Ben Jan at University of Bern. Free FRE is an alternative to tab or tabulate. When we're tabulating categorical variables, the results are not always helpful. So let's run line 25. Region is a categorical variable with 3 categories, 1, 2, 3, which correspond to Europe, Central Asia, North America, and South America. However, when we use Stata written tabulate command, we do not see the numerical coding of each categories. And sometimes this is important for your work. You either want to recode or you want to create another variable based on the original categorical variable. So frequency comes to your rescue. When we do frequency region, we see 1 correspond to Europe and Central Asia, and 2 correspond to North America, and 3 correspond to South America, which is quite useful. However, frequency falls short as the very elegant FRE when you're trying to tabulate continuous variable. So let's do a frequency of GMP PC. When we do frequency of this continuous variable, we see column dots. That means some things are omitted. And we have 68 observations, however, it's not showing the full list. To do that, we can do frequency, comma, all to show everything. And this is everything. However, a tab will tab everything by default. So my recommendation is do frequency with categorical variable and do tab with continuous variable. The second command I'm going to introduce is called bigtab, which is written by Paul Byrne, Research Data Services Librarian at Syracuse University. From time to time, we do cross-tabulation to see how data are distributed between 2 variables. And sometimes it's annoying because tab does not do what you want. Let's tabulate region and save water. So we see a lot of results. Basically, we are seeing a data point for data point enumeration of region, and safe water. This is not the most efficient way of summarizing the data, and bigtab is an alternative. And let's see what bigtab does. Bigtab tabulate in a slightly different way and summarize data more succinctly. If you would like to see different categories separated visually, you can do sap by the categorical variable, and it will separate different choices. So from a previous frequency, we know this is 1, this is 2, this is 3.